Hello, welcome to this mini introduction to nature junk journaling. My name is Jasmine and I love junk and nature. Let's start off with a question. How often you go outdoors and actually smell the roses or appreciate nature's details? If you click this video, I'm guessing not as much as you would like, right? That's why I'm here to help you connect with nature, and this is how. With nature junk journaling. You might think, I know this thing where you just cut and glue random vintage stuff, right? Well, not necessarily. To me, junk journaling is a really thoughtful hobby where I actually use trash from home or found. At least 85% of my supplies are trash turned into art. How I make it to be useful? I use it to learn about nature, to learn about the places I go, and the environment. I promise this will be your next obsession if you love nature and crafts. Most importantly, it's really cheap. Are you excited? Well, let me show you my nature junk journals. Here they are. They are made with cardboard and recycled papers. I use a simple technique to add the pages. If you're interested in that, let me know to make a full tutorial. These corners are water jugs. The amazing thing about this is that you can make it whatever size you want and as thick as you want. Okay, now I will show you some of my pages to get you inspired. In this spread, I didn't want to draw or paint, so I used a lot of trash. You can paint. This page was inspired by a shell I found. You can make a collage which looks like paint with collage folder. I did some watercolor in this page. Since this was my latest nature junk journal, I still have some pages to fill out. I will show you the first one now. This was my first one, so I was experimenting a lot, trying new techniques. I really enjoy adding found objects into my spreads. Have you ever felt guilty about starting a new hobby? As a multi-passionate person, I am into new hobbies constantly, and it makes me feel wasteful. Even though I do not throw it away, they are just there, you know? Sometimes the guilt comes from wasting time or money, or that simply the hobby seems useless. But with nature junk journaling, all of that is gone because it's quick, eco-friendly, and educational if you want to. Since it's a nature junk journal, I thought it was just perfect to use dyed stuff, recycled papers, folder, pressed flowers, and everything related that comes from nature. I really think this is a really cheap and easy way to connect with nature and be more conscious of our impact in the world. The great thing about this is that you can make it in under 15 minutes and you can find supplies wherever you go. Here are some of the supplies that I've made or recycled just to give you an idea. Here I have handmade papers that I did without a blender. The link is below. I created some frames from cardboard. Experimented dyeing some papers and fabric. I used a lot of flowers and greenery. These are some dryer sheets. They absorb the color perfectly. Dyed some fabric scraps. These are blueberry and avocado. These are some clusters that you can create when you collect things from different places. I made some embellishments with pressed greenery. I bet you will love this. These are magazine cutouts and things I have found, and I made it into a sticker roll. And of course you can use whatever you have, some printables or anything else that you want. You can actually scan your press flora and use it as many times as you want. And of course I use pressed leaves and flowers. There you have it. It's your new hobby, and I know you will love it, and it will help you connect with nature, be calmer, and help the planet a little. If you are interested in more ideas, make sure to see all the other videos. I hope you're excited to start. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Thank you.